I'm Kelly Esten. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for Toast. Toast Foundation is really in what's the technology we can provide our restaurant customers to make them successful. The average restaurant customer that we have got into this business because they love hospitality, they love food, they want to serve, and they want to be out in front of guests, not behind their computer in a back office. Toast plus Uber Eats partnership is really about how do we invest together in technology that allows delivery to be a really efficient, really profitable part of their business. Delivery has become essential to restaurant success. They see it both as a marketing engine and as a revenue source. The reason we're so excited about the partnership is because there's multiple aspects that allow a restaurant to manage their delivery and takeout across platforms, access drivers, access new guests, and make it really seamless. Marketplace is a big part of many of our customers' business, so bringing those Uber Eats customers directly into the restaurant, but then making that really operationally easy for the restaurant to execute. When an Uber Eats order comes into Toast, it pops up in the kitchen just like any other order in the restaurant. The staff is able to pick it up and handle it seamlessly. But then when a restaurant wants to also promote their own first-party channels, maybe to a loyal guest who's been coming in for years, they have the opportunity to tap into Uber Direct's drivers as well and make sure that they're getting the same great experience that they would on the Uber Eats platform on their own website or in store. All of it comes into Toast in one place, and it's seamless for the staff in store to manage, because often on a busy Friday night, there's a lot being thrown at them, and the integration makes it a lot easier for them to execute and make the experience great for their guests. Working with the Uber Eats team is a great experience. There's a lot of shared culture and investment in the success of our restaurant partners. We really believe restaurants are the heart of every community. We want to make these in-person businesses that have traditionally been challenging to run and operate a lot easier, a lot more profitable, and making it all about the food and the hospitality that our customers provide their guests.